It is only your niyyah that distinguishes one act of worship from another. This is the importance of niyyah. And niyyah has powerful benefits for you in everything in your life. So the Prophet ﷺ mentioned in the hadith, إِنَّمَا الْأَعْمَالُ بِالنِّيَّاتِ وَإِنَّمَا لِكُلِّ امْرِئٍ مَّا نَوَىٰ. Actions are judged by intentions, and to each person, he or she is rewarded based on their intention. What we intend to do. This hadith is so important. The scholars of hadith says that there are 5 foundational hadith in Islam. 5 hadith that everything in Islam revolves around. And this hadith of Niyyah is one of the 5 foundational hadith in Islam. Imam Bukhari, he starts off his Sahih, Al-Jami'ah As-Sahih, his collection of hadith. The first chapter is called Babul Wahyi, the book of revelation. Revelation, Wahi. But the first hadith he puts at the beginning of his collection is this hadith of Niyyah.